Welcome to mantechhd. In this video we are showing you the all-new Volkswagen T7 Multivan. Volkswagen has unveiled the new generation of its midsize van, the T7. Volkswagen has only released the variant aimed at transporting people, which is called Multivan and has up to 7 seats. Until now, in previous generations, there has been at least one for the transport of people, Caravelle, one for goods, Transporter, and one camper, California. If we talk about the interior of Volkswagen Multivan T7, the new Multivan has a short dashboard to maximize interior space. At the same time, Volkswagen put most of the interior options inside the infotainment screen to reduce clutter and free up space in the center console. Speaking of infotainment, it comes with a wide 10.25-inch screen, along with a digital dashboard Volkswagen dubs the virtual cockpit. The screen of the multimedia system is 10.0 inches and, as in other models of the brand, now it is used to manage the air conditioning system, since physical buttons have been dispensed with, something that seems to us a mistake. The instrumentation is the so-called virtual cockpit, which is displayed on a 10.25-inch screen. Optionally, you can order a Harman Kardon brand sound system with 840 watt of power and with 14 speakers distributed throughout the cabin. Over in the second row, it has a variety of seat configurations available, but seen here is the 7-seat version. Instead of a bench, the second row comes with individual captain's chairs with a center table. Meanwhile, the third row has room for 3 thanks to its wider body. The new Multivan measures 4.97 meters in length, 1.94 in width and 1.90 in height, making it longer, wider and lower than the model it replaces. As in the previous model, there is a long body variant, which in this case measures 5.17 meters in length. The Battle always measured 3.12 meters, while in the previous model the short variant had a wheelbase of 3 meters long, 3.40 meters. This time, the focus is on the people-carrying version, with the German brand revealing the all-new T7 Multivan will feature the option of a huge panoramic roof that will complement a front sunroof. If that's not enough to wow Multivan buyers, the new design sketches suggest that Volkswagen's commercial arm will offer a version with a third row of individual seats that can be removed with little effort. A new seat track system, meanwhile, allows further improved flexibility that includes the ability to push the third row middle seat forward to almost the front row, instantly creating space for a bicycle or surfboard. Volkswagen claims the Multivan is more flexible and spacious than ever inside, highlighting a new modular seating system and multifunction table. The 5 rear seats can be removed entirely, while the second row can be spun around to create a social seating arrangement. Volkswagen is keen to inject the new Multivan with driver assist and safety tech. The automaker says there are no less than 34 various systems available to address safety, comfort, and assistance, with staples like automatic emergency braking and lane keep assist installed as standard equipment. Car2X is a point-to-point communication system that lets the Multivan speak to other vehicles and tech-infused infrastructure, informing the driver of potential hazards in the area. Semi-autonomous driving also comes to the Multivan with VW's IQ Drive system, offering predictive cruise control and lane assist. The luggage compartment has a capacity of up to 4,053 liters. This is the data for the long body variant only with the 2 front seats in use. In the short body variant, with 7 seats in use, the cargo volume is 469 liters, and 1,844 liters with 5 seats. All rear seats are individual and can be moved by rails and completely removed from the vehicle independently. Volkswagen says the roof clearance is similar to the previous model. This new model, although it is wider and lower than the model it succeeds to, does not renounce the DNA that has made the Transporter a legend, so, although it is more modern, as it should be, it is still recognized by the instantly like a Volkswagen T. In terms of design, Volkswagen has advanced the front windshield, so that we now have a new window between the glass and the A-pillar. Also, the hood is flatter, the lights are LED and the air intakes have been painted on the front. Body color. The new T7 Multivan 2022 really innovates is in the mechanics, because for the first time in its history it offers a plug-in hybrid version. At the outset we will have 2 gasoline models, a 1.5 TSI with 135 HP and a 2.0 TSI with 203. Later on, a diesel engine with 150 horses will arrive to complete the pure combustion offer. All of these are associated with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox and feature front-wheel drive. The plug-in hybrid for its part, combines a 150 HP 1.4 TSI with another 85 kilowatts electric motor, which makes it have a total of 218 horses. The model receives the name of eHybrid and, coupled to the engine, a 6-speed DSG automatic transmission instead of the 7 that are mounted on gasoline and diesel. Volkswagen Multivan T7 has yet to confirm pricing for the Multivan, but prices for the outgoing model start at around $70,000, and a slight premium over that can be expected. If you get some information from our video, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for watching more videos of mantechhd.